it just spins. Now, this is what you do if you've got a stripped out door hinge screw, and you see, you might not be able to see that movement. I've already tightened up these other two. And you put your drill or your impact or whatever you're using on there, and it just spins. What happens is, in these door casings, especially in construction we're in, or if you're a homeowner that has done multiple projects on your home, is the hole for the screw just becomes too big. I mean, it just gets walled out from, you know, using the taking the screw in and out, stuff like that. So, and these screws that come with these pre-hung doors, they're tiny. I mean, these are literally maybe an inch, 3/4 to an inch long, probably right at an inch. So I do literally hundreds of these where I'm at now working. And the simple trick to use is, you'll hear some people say, oh, put a golf tee in there, buy golf tees and break them off. Golf tees are harder wood. Yeah, that's true. Window shims, you know, cut up window shims and put that wood in there, pine or whatever. But for cost, quickness, time, quickness, all that good stuff, and time is money, especially in any kind of construction industry, I prefer to use this. It's literally 98 cents for a pack of 100, and it is a kebab skewer. And it depends on how bad the doors are, I can adjust several doors with one skewer. So what you do, I take the pointy end first, stick it in the door casing. So you may have to take a hammer and hammer the back of it to get it to go in. I break off the excess, put my drill in there, lining it up, getting it lined up in the center of that hole. Boom, there you go. That door is now adjusted and it is tight back into the frame. Now, if you take this back out again, you may end up having to go back and put another skewer in there. But again, at 98 cents for a pack of 100, you pay approximately 1 cent for one skewer. 1 cent for one skewer. The time savings of doing this, some people use a piece of wire, some people use a golf tee, some people use window shims or cut up wood, but literally the time savings is worth a penny. 1 penny to do that one door. Not even a penny to do that door. If I could do 5 or 10 out of one skewer, I mean, you're talking fractional cents at that point. So there you go. That's how you tighten up a door hinge or any strip screw. If you're in a pinch or not in a pinch, use a bamboo skewer. Quick, fast, and cheap. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe. Hit the like button if you like it. See you next time.